What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about, is it too late for you to start CPA affiliate marketing in 2020? So yes, we got the new year coming up. A lot of people, want to make changes. A lot of people want to actually change their life. And is this your year? Is this your year for things to actually take off? Is 2020 your year for you to finally see success? Make your first $100,000, make your first $50,000, whatever your goal is. I'm not sure, but I just want to let you know that it is possible. And I want to talk about, is it possible with CPA though? And I also want to tell you a little bit on my background so you understand like when I give you this information, I'm not just somebody who started at the top and just had everything given to me. I'm literally somebody who started from the bottom. I'm somebody who, I used to have to shop at Dollar Tree to get groceries. You know how Dollar Tree got a food section and you can get groceries? I was that person that had a cart in Dollar Tree grabbing $1 groceries. That's how broke I was. So how did I go from shopping at Dollar Tree for my groceries to now living in 4-bedroom, 4-bath townhome, driving a BMW, taking vacations whenever I want, just living the life of my dreams, making thousands and thousands of dollars every single day? And it's just me. I'm still the same person, but at the end of the day, I had to change some things, guys. I had to go through a lot of mindset shifts. It's called paradigm. I had to really change my paradigm, because when I first got started online, I was looking for a lotto ticket. I was looking for just something, please just make me some money, make me some money. Now, with CPA affiliate marketing, that can be that source. It can be a source of income for you. You can make it happen. But the thing is, you're going to have to shift your paradigm as well. You can't just jump into this and you're not changing your paradigm. Now, what is a paradigm? A paradigm is the way you look at things, right? You have to understand, when you were brought up as a child to your teenage years, you were brought up by your parents. You were brought up, or whoever raised you, but they injected ideas. They injected beliefs. You have ideas, you have beliefs about yourself. And if you don't really understand what that is, if you ain't really diving deep into your subconscious and getting to the root of what you truly believe, what is your true identity, you can't change. It's going to be impossible to change. It don't matter what business opportunity, CPA, it could be e-commerce, it could be Forex, it could be blogging, whatever it is. You're not going to be able to change because your identity is still the same. You still don't see yourself as how you need to see yourself. So, okay, I was shopping at Dollar Tree, right? I'm having $30 to my name with no job. Now, I was just, I'm the type of person, I could have had a job. I've always been able to find a job. It's not that I was just unemployed. It was literally, I refused to be unhappy. And I felt it in my soul. I really felt that in my soul. So you guys have to realize this has to be something deep for you, okay? It can't just be CPA, yeah, I want to try it. You have to feel this in your heart. You have to really want to do this. You have to really want to see success online, because it's not just the easiest route. I know you see, me, I'm a black female, I'm hip, I'm cool. But at the end of the day, you don't see what goes on behind the scenes. You don't see the brains behind it all, how much I had to read, how many videos I had to watch, how much knowledge I had to absorb to be able to become the person I am today. Because it wasn't just fly by night, just snap my fingers, boom, I had the success. I had to learn everything about landing pages. I had to learn everything about Facebook ads. I had to learn everything about picking the right offers and testing offers and optimizing and understanding that where I'm at to where I'm trying to go is possible. I had to change a whole bunch of stuff in my mindset as well, because I was that type of person where I saw a tool with something like ClickFunnels, $100 a month, and that scared me. That really, really scared me. I really was like, how are people just paying $100, $200, $300 a month for these tools online to run their business, And it was just something that I just really did not understand. So guys, I know I said in other videos, you might think it's cliche. You might think what I'm about to say is cliche, but it's the truth. I'm tired of people acting like it's a shortcut. You can't shortcut a paradigm shift, right? You have to put in the work. You have to listen to the personal development. You can't escape it. How come every successful person does that? And why do you think you don't have to do it? And I'm talking about every day. If you want 2020 to be your best year, why can't you just say, hey, you know what? Instead of watching TV this year, let me just take a year off of watching my favorite TV shows. You know, they're recorded. Everything's DVR, all these websites and Kodi and Fire Sticks. You can literally watch TV anytime. All these shows are not going nowhere. Everything you're into right now is not going nowhere. The clubs, the people, your friends. Hey, don't bother me this year. I mean, it's that simple. Your paradigm is gonna have to shift by you saying no to a lot of things and saying yes to things that you may have put off. As in doing the personal development, going to those seminars, or really figuring out what's going on in your subconscious so that you can change it. Because a lot of people just sit here and they think they're going to get all these results and the things that's going to magically happen. You're just going to throw up that ad. You need to make sure your mindset is right, because when you're doing CPA marketing, you're spending money. You're just spending money. And if you're not making sense of the data, if you're not understanding the process on how to make sense of the data and stuff like that, you're literally going to be just feeling down. You're going to be feeling like, hey, this doesn't work. And it does work, but you have to be in a certain mindset when you're in this business. So no, it's never too late to start anything. Not CPA marketing, not nothing. The thing is, are you willing to do what it's going to take in 2020 to make it a reality? Or are you still just going to half-ass? It's time to stop half-assing. Stop half-assing. Do the personal development. Read the books. Listen to the audios every day. Every day. Why is that so hard? Why can you watch TV? Why can you get on Facebook? Why can you get on Instagram? Why can you get on YouTube? And I know I made a video. I'm actually linked to that video on the end card, but I'm gonna find a video where I talked about all the different tools I have in my browser where you can block all that stuff on Facebook off. You can block the stuff on YouTube. So when you get on YouTube, it's a blank screen and all you can do is just type in what you're looking for. So if it's the affirmations, you go into affirmations. If it's for Jim Rohn audio, you go straight to the Jim Rohn audio. If it's ClickFunnels training, just strictly ClickFunnels. You don't need to be looking and browsing, trying to figure out what else opportunities is out there. You know all the opportunities. A lot of y'all been searching opportunities for years. There's always going to be opportunity out here. The thing is, it's never too late to start it. It's just, are you willing to make the sacrifice? Are you willing to shift your paradigm? You need to go look up the Bob Proctor videos. You need to go do the work. You have to invest in your mental. And why do I keep stressing this more than I'm stressing the tactics? Because that's literally what I did every day. I listen to affirmations every day. I listen to Jim Rohn every day, or Bob Proctor, or Les Brown, or Eric Thomas, or any freaking body who was giving out knowledge that I needed. Guys, I was so messed up. Remember I was shopping at Dollar Tree. I had no idea why am I so broke? Why can't I just make it happen? Everybody's out here living life. I saw people living the dream. It was possible. As you see me now, you see it's possible. You see me living my dreams. But it's like, are you going to do what I did? Now, I'm not saying I became this genius. I'm not a genius. I'm still kind of on the same level that I was. I didn't learn any new math. You know what I'm saying? All I did was I focused on my paradigm. I focused on my identity and how I really saw myself and how I used to see myself because of my parents' belief, because of how I was raised. I saw myself as a person who lacked and was broke. And I was raised in poverty, but not like I was poor. It was like a middle class, like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I wanted those new Jordans. I couldn't get it. I had to wait till Christmas or something like that for my iPod Nano. I don't know if you guys remember that. I just told my age with that. But you know what I'm saying? I wasn't just able to get what I want when I wanted it. So that gave me an identity that we don't have enough. And I used to resonate with not having enough. I used to resonate with lack. I used to resonate with brokenness because my mom would always say, oh, I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. And she still says it to this day. And you guys may be looking at me like, oh, Chanel, like I still, like my family, like they still don't get it. It's hard for people to understand this information because this is the critical piece, because you just see people living their dreams and not everybody tells you this is what they're doing behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, You're growing your mind. You're investing in yourself. It's never too late to do anything. It's never too late to invest in yourself. At 20, at 30, at 40, at 50, at 60, at 70, however old you are, till I'm 100 years old, I'm going to be reading a book and getting some knowledge and figuring out what I can do to become a better person. So I'm not stuck in this paradigm of lack. I was broke and didn't have anything because that's what I was always used to, because that's how I grew up. I grew up, we don't have enough, we don't have enough. So when I got older, it just reflected in my adult life. So what I had to do, I had to change my paradigm. I had to shift my paradigm to wealth, abundance, success. I shifted to that identity. And now, what do I see in my life? Abundance, wealth, success. I speak those words. I talk it I tell myself in the mirror, you are successful. Chanel is successful. Chanel is going to be a multi-millionaire. Chanel's going to live her dreams. You guys can just act like it's some woo-woo, magical stuff. You don't have to believe this, but this is what it takes. I know a lot of y'all just want the tactics. Just teach me. What do I need to click on? What's the perfect offer? Guys, you have to get your brain right. You have to invest in your mental. Once you start shifting your paradigm from an identity level, I think this is taught in psycho-cybernetics. They talk about your self-image. You guys, that stuff is real. You have to read these books. You have to listen to these experts. If you're thinking that this is just some magical stuff, I mean, even this stuff is spoke about in the Bible. Like, you have to, it's real. The power of your words, it creates your thoughts. Your thoughts is what's going to get you to take certain actions. Your thoughts, your beliefs is what's going to get you to take certain actions. So when you start taking those certain actions off of the wealth, abundance, success beliefs, that's how that stuff comes. But if you take an action from lack, you take an action from not having enough, from brokenness, you're saying you're broke, you're acting like you're in poverty. Poverty is a mindset, guys. Poverty is a mind state. You have to break from that. You have to figure out, how do I get into wealth consciousness? How are you going to get into wealth consciousness? Is by doing your affirmations and listen to these audios and reading the books that's talking about wealth, talking about success, talking about shifting your paradigm. And it's okay. Why do you think you can shortcut it? Why do you think you can cut that part out? And I'm pretty sure most of you watching this video and you're not seeing success. You know you've been cutting that stuff out. You know you've been skimping on that part. You know you've been like, it's a lot of mindset stuff. But it wasn't until I paid attention to that stuff, because I was the type of person, I used to see people start the video, okay guys, mindset, and I turn it off. I turn the video off, bro. I didn't want to hear it. That's why I was broke. I was like, where's the tactics? Stop telling me, change my mind. Just show me what I need to click on. I wanted a lotto ticket. And that's why I quit my job and I was messed up. So what I had to change was, I had to change how I thought about what I need to do with my mind. And a whole new world opened up for me. I see things totally different. I'm not gonna say I'm a totally different person, but my mindset is so changed. My paradigm has shifted. I'm not the same Chanel that I'm different from the broke state, you know? I'm mostly in abundance and wealth, and I still got patterns I need to break. I still got stuff I need to work on. I'm not perfect, right? But I'm better, and it reflects in my everyday life. You can see how my life is now. And I'm sitting here telling you, I used to shop at the dollar store. I'm sitting here telling you, I used to have a negative bank account. I still remember that like it was yesterday. I'm not far removed, right? I got to this point because I didn't skimp on what I just told you. I didn't skimp on my mind. I invested everything. I stopped watching TV. I don't have cable. I got 3-4 TVs. I don't watch them. If I'm watching something, it's maybe an NBA game, something like that, every now and again. Every now and again. I'm not invested into the external no more like I used to. I used to always want to hang out, go to parties. Not anymore. I don't want to do none of that stuff no more. All I want to do is invest in my mindset, because that's what literally takes me to the next level. And that's literally how I gain my happiness. You have to find happiness for you, but you have to find it now. And also gratitude. I started being thankful for where I was at. I stopped looking at everything like get rich quick. And I started being thankful and saying, you know what? I may not have the $100,000 a month and all this other stuff back then, but as I was starting to shift my mind towards like abundance and stuff, I started to realize I had a lot already. You know, I was able to have a laptop. I was able to have time freedom because I didn't work that job. I had tons and tons of time. I had a laptop and I was able to get online and at least start doing something. You know, before CPA, I would sell stuff on eBay. I would sell stuff on Craigslist. I would just do anything to get some money and then I would put it to ads. Right? And I just kept learning throughout the process. So don't stop learning. So I actually want to do something special in this actual video for everybody who watched like to the end of this video. What I did in my group was I actually did a 24-hour sale of Mogul Academy. It was 50% off to learn my super affiliate techniques, the things that took me to over $1 million using CPA affiliate marketing, right? So what I did was I offered that training for 50% off. You know, and a lot of people took advantage, but a lot of people slept on it. And now they're messaging me saying, hey, Chanel, please, one more day, can you just open it up? Can you just open it up? So what I'm going to do is for the next 48 hours, I'm going to offer this again, 50% off Mogul Academy. And after that, it may be closed. The price definitely will be going up, but I may even also close it for the new year because I'm not even sure if I want to be doing any training or anything in the first quarter of the new year. So what I want to do is just do something special for you guys because I understand not everybody, you know, can pay the full price. And a lot of people probably has not been taking action because of that. So I want to give everybody a chance because I only did post it in my Facebook group and not everybody follows me in my Facebook group that follows me on YouTube. So what I want to do is go ahead and offer Mogul Academy 50% off for the next 48 hours. When you see the timer hit 0 on the webpage, it's going to be going down. The site might even be going. So what I want you to do is go ahead right now, take advantage of that 50% off. Also comment if you enjoyed this video. 2020 is not too late to start CPA affiliate marketing. It's the best time, but you got to understand you're going to have to invest in yourself, not just buying a course and getting the tactics. Invest in your mindset with it and you should definitely see progress. All right, guys. So I hope the best for you. 2020 is definitely going to be your year. I know you're going to take action. If this video helped out with your vision for 2020 and everything like that, go ahead, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know in the comments. Also subscribe if you're new. Go ahead, take advantage of Mogul Academy being 50% off because I don't usually do this and I'm not going to be doing it next year. All right, guys. So take care. I love you. Peace.